Gets a little smaller and smaller as you go. Whew. Here we are. We're there. I got the windows closed. Makes it nice. A little bit of a climb. There's a little town of Monterey. Going down could be a little crazy. Alrighty. Yeah, let's see if I can do this without tripping. Steps are a little shorter going down. Alright. Hang on. Wait. Hey, we're back now. Trying to get this fire going. One of my tow rigs here. It's standalone sometimes. Pop up tent out of cab. Makes nice sleeping quarters when you want to get off the ground, and even the back seat if it's too hot. Can run a Dometic fridge inside, which I currently have in another vehicle now. And this is my my camper. Sleeps 2 really comfortable. They say 3, maybe. I don't know. My wife and I and the dog's about all I want to put in there. And I put the bike rack on there, and we use that transport the bikes. Trying to get the fire going. It's smoking a little bit right now. It'll get hot here in a few minutes. Camp spots up here in the National Forest of Virginia, George Washington National Forest. We're up on a beginning of a fire trail. The recreation area is down through there, and there's the dam. There's a lake over there. You can barely see it through the woods maybe. But anyway, we're at the beginning. This fire trail, it gets a little rough as it gets going through there a few, I don't know, maybe half mile, and it closes in some branches and stuff, so try not to pinstripe the camper. Hopefully tomorrow we'll get up that way and give you a little tour of that road. But for tonight, this is home, and that's where we'll be. Preparing the fire. Got a little grate put on the pit there to cook some steaks, and wrapped a little bit of a couple of potatoes to bake in the coals. Probably need to get going on that. Got to get the coals hot though. So that's what we're doing, and a little smoky coming right here. Windy up here today, a little chilly. Probably low 60s right now. Getting down to about 40 tonight, I guess. Be a little chilly in the morning. I could cook on a charcoal grill I brought, and I got a propane cook stove I could cook on, or I don't really cook in the camper. It's got an induction electric stove, and it'll cook fine, but I don't want to put the heat and the smell in there, and you know, so that's what we're doing here in the George Washington National Forest in Virginia. So hope you enjoy the video. Okay, we're going to make some fire pit baked potatoes. I'll poke a few holes in this. I don't really know how many. Just to let the moisture release so it don't explode, I guess. Alright. Pour a little oil. Don't really need to do this. I think you can do it without doing anything. There's a fire trail road there beside us, so I guess people are out and about. Down there. Alrighty. Take that off. Wrap that on nice and good. Double layer it. Help it from burning. Probably could do this at home, but I'm going to do it here. One sirloin and one ribeye.
Looks good.
Sirloin's been marinating in a special marinade. Sirloin's just got salt and pepper and a little bit of seasoning salt. Baked potatoes are still down there cooking. Let's see how things go. watching.